नमस्कार दोस्तों, मेरा नाम है अर्नब गोस्वामी और आप मेरे साथ देख रहे हैं इतना क्यों पूछता है भारत। इतना क्यों पूछते हो बे, जस्ट गिव इट अ ब्रेक, जियो और जीने दो। Let the government do its bloody job. Stop asking so many questions for God's sake. I'm sorry, I got a little carried away. These topics get really emotional for me. Let's start again. नमस्कार दोस्तों, और मेरा नाम है अर्नब गोस्वामी और आप मेरे साथ देख रहे हैं इतना क्यों पूछता है भारत। And today, once again, I'm going to prove that gravity doesn't exist and that the earth is flat. I want to start with the existence of gravity first. From years and years, the Western culture has been feeding us with the fact that gravity exists and that it has always existed. But what is the big conspiracy behind this? What is the Newton lobby is trying to prove by doing this? Why is the pseudo lobby backing the theory of gravity? What is the main reason why this is happening right now? Today we will find out on Kyun Puchta Hai Bharat, because we question the unquestionable. Today we have a special guest with us, Mr. Tanay Dhumal. I heard that you have been faking TRPs to get more ad revenue. Who the hell are you? I don't even know who you are. Some small YouTuber with around 3,000 subscribers whose opinions don't matter. Why have you come to the show? Who has called him to this show? Navika, I'm going to fire the person who has invited him to this show. Arnab, listen to me. Small petty people you're getting. Yeah, I want that guy's name right now. You are the one who is faking TRPs. What? How am I faking TRPs? What did I do? And my team and I have put in a lot of research into this topic that gravity doesn't exist. We have a lot of evidence and proof right here with us to show that gravity doesn't exist. And it is a big conspiracy being done by the Isaac Newton lobby, and it's been fed in our mind since we were born that gravity exists. If that is not fed in our mind since we were kids, we can fly. Everyone can be Superman. What? And also Salman ka fan. By the way, where is Salman? Navika, where is Salman? Where? कहाँ है?
तो वो सलमान जो इतना बोलता था ना, कहाँ है? कहाँ छिपा हुआ है?
So, Mr. Tanay Dhumal, you have been saying that gravity exists and it has always existed. And you have literally no backing, no evidence behind this. How do you go about it? The fact that I'm sitting here on this chair is the evidence that gravity exists. You don't even want to give the other side a chance. No, there isn't. How dare you interrupt me? Navika, cut him off. Navika, off. Cut him off. Cut him off. Enough. Enough of this nonsense. This pseudo lobby has the nerve to lie and then interrupt me. How dare they? So, coming back to the topic. So, you are saying that the gravity has always existed. So, you are saying that during the years 1600s and 1700s, before Isaac Newton invented gravity, gravity always existed. Doesn't it sound ridiculous? What? He didn't invent gravity, he discovered gravity. What is the difference?
They aren't the same.
What is the difference? Let me Google it to you and show you what it says on Google, exactly what is discovery and what is invention. Just let me show you. A discovery is recognizing something that already exists from the first time and nobody has found before. An invention is creating something totally new with one's own ideas. Exactly. Navika, cut him off.
What?
Cut him
What?
off. I'll show you what research has been done on this, that gravity doesn't exist. A scientist called David Marsh, a very well-renowned scientist, is a flat earther. Do you know the amount of immense knowledge the flat earthers have? Do you know it? You won't care also, Ray. Because your pseudo lobby is, I'm sick. And if you didn't know him, you don't deserve to live. See, listen to exactly what he said. My research destroys Big Bang cosmology. It supports the idea that gravity doesn't exist and the only true force of nature is electromagnetism. His theory has destroyed Big Bang cosmology. Destroyed it. Not even found faults in it. Destroyed it. And you are saying that gravity still exists? On what basis are you saying it? Don't you have any shame? You come to my show and you start throwing such fake news over here. I'm sick. Sick of you. Now this is the scientific proof I have. What do you have? What do you have? You tell me. I give you 1 minute to tell what evidence do you have. See, we have been working on this theory of gravity and we have come up with a lot of formulas also, and our lives depend on it even now. So you can see that it's been helping us. So you can't just say gravity doesn't exist. We are sitting over here. On what basis are you saying some random guy? Please shut up, man. Just shut up. Please shut up. Nothing of Isaac Newton over here. Nothing. He is a gravity jihadi. What? और वो आइजैक जो इतना बोलता था ना, कहाँ है? कहाँ छुपा हुआ है? I want to call out to you, Isaac. What? Where are you? Why is your mouth shut now? Isaac, he's been Come dead. On, show your face. He's been dead. On this debate, I want to see you and I want to debate with you. He's been... Let's see. Where your pseudo lobby. I'm going to expose everything of it. He's been dead. You just wait. He's been dead, man, for the last, I don't know, couple of 100 years. Navika, cut him off. Cut him off. Enough. You obviously might be not knowing that the earth is hollow from within. Obviously, because your mindset is limited and you don't want to explore. I'm just done with you, man. I'm just done. I'm sick. I don't want to discuss anymore. Now let's come to the flat earth theory. You say that the earth is round, but actually it's flat. What do you have to say about this? You just said the earth is hollow from within. How it's become flat? Navika? What? I literally have pictures taken from space. Me and my reporters ourselves, we went to space and we took these pictures. Just see over here. I'll show it on the display. Just look at it. That's ridiculous. That's an animated picture. Oh my. Do you think I'm a fool that I'll make up a story of going to space? No, Arnab. Only an idiot would do that. Do you get it? You are accusing me of lying to Sara Bharat. How dare you do that? Me and my reporters personally went into space and took these pictures. At least have the decency to appreciate it instead of accusing us of lying. What evidence do you have that we didn't go to space? Show it to me. Show it to me. Tanay Dhumal, your pseudo lobby don't have the answer to anything on this planet. Okay, Arnab. Then would you just answer one question for me, that if you go at the edge of the earth, why don't you fall down if the earth is flat? Do you think you're too smart? You think I don't know the answers to this? It is called the Pac-Man effect. You know Pac-Man effect? When you play the game Pac-Man, you go to one edge, and when you're done with that edge, you cross that edge, you teleport to the other side. So this is exactly what happens on the flat earth. You teleport to the other side. Oh man. This is flat earth. You're traveling. No need to explain it. And then you teleport back to this side. Don't think you're too smart. Don't ask me questions like these. Okay, fine, Arnab. Then how does it become night on earth when the light is shining directly on the earth? Navika, who got him to this show? I don't know why I answer you also. Very common sense, yeah. The earth is flat and the sun revolves around the that earth is ridiculous. Like how can you even say that? This is thing. Light is shining on the earth. No, that's not how things work, Arnab. That's extremely stupid. How can you even say that? Night, because it's below the earth. Oh my god. This is how it works. What to tell you, man? Hundreds of years of research and things have been done in science, and Navika, here you are, Arnab, man. I don't even want to sit on this show. So as you see people over here, the pseudo lobby keeps on backing the bogus theory of Isaac Newton. This Isaac Newton lobby is a danger to the earth. I'm telling you, these people need to be jailed. They don't need to be spared. They can't walk on the streets freely. They don't deserve to be there. They have absolutely no facts, nothing, no evidence. But I'll keep on exposing them because you guys deserve to know the truth behind everything. So I want to tell you this.
Sir?
Navika, please stop. Please.
Sir?
Not right now, Navika, please. Not right now. Please, just stop. Just go away.
There's a lead on the Shashank case.
What? Be right back.